Okay, so previously I have made a video on how you can create an object typography or calligram using Gemini Nano Banana Pro model, but I just realized that you can actually do the same thing or apply the same effect to a portrait photo. So these are some examples of photos that I turned into a portrait typography using Gemini Nano Banana Pro. So of course, this model is very good at rendering text, and that's why the result is actually much better than the previous model. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can turn your own selfie or your own photo to look like this using Gemini AI. So let's open Gemini, and here I'm using the desktop web version, but of course you can do this on the mobile app version on your phone. Now you can upload your own photo. You can tap on this plus button and then select the file, but for me I'll just use this photo that I found on this website. Let me just copy and paste that into Gemini. Now to achieve this result, there are two prompts that we are going to use. So the first prompt is this, and don't worry, all the prompts that will be used in this video are available in the description down below. You can copy it. And after that, let's paste that into Gemini. So click Tools, Enable Create Images, and just send the message. So this is the first prompt, and then later we have another prompt where you can specify perhaps the theme or the topic of the text, because all the text was actually being generated by AI. It was chosen by AI. I'm not manually selecting every single word in the picture, so it was done automatically by AI. Now just wait for about 20 or perhaps 30 seconds for the model to create a picture. So Gemini Nano Banana Pro is kind of slower than the previous model, but usually the picture quality is a lot better. Okay, this is awesome. Now I think this is something that I can work on. Now after that, when you're done with this result, the first iteration, you can use this prompt. So I'm going to copy it. And let's paste that into Gemini. And here you can change the topic. So for me, let me just use the topic like beautiful. Like that. And just submit. So Gemini will choose some words that might be relevant to this particular topic. So it is really up to you. It could be about your occupation, it could be maybe where you live, or perhaps your hobby, anything, and Gemini will find the most relevant words based on the topic. Again, we have to wait for about 20 or to 30 seconds to generate the picture. Okay, so we got this picture, and yeah, I think it looks great. And if you don't like the result, you can always redo the whole generation. But if you like it, then you can open it and click the download button to save the picture to your device, and perhaps you can use it on your pro picture. So yeah, that's basically how you can generate a portrait typography using Gemini Nano Banana Pro. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.